I really love this kind of weather where you don't have to take off the jacket as soon as you get off the motorcycle. That's what we riders from Mumbai are used to. There's a pleasant weather here. I think it's somewhere around 15 or 16 degrees Celsius, and I'm in Chandigarh right now. I'm here at Sukna Lake, uh, not a naturally formed lake, but this is not what we are here to talk about. We are here to talk about how we reached here. How we reached here is using KTM My Ride app from the mobile. I have used the Google Maps to navigate here, uh, and all the Google instructions were being sent on my KTM TFT display, which I followed and I've reached here. But how to do that? Let's find out. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit that bell icon because we intend to bring some really good motorcycling videos in the future. For now, we are going to talk about this app called Turn by Turn Navigation for KTM. It is available on Android Play Store and it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a single penny against the KTM app where you'll have to shell out 600 rupees. Download that app, open up the Google Map, search for the location that you are planning to go to, you intend to go to, and set the route. Once you have set the route, you will notice that there is no notification yet on our KTM TFT display. To do that, minimize this window on your phone, open this app called Turn by Turn Navigation. Now, this is a very simple app as you can see, but as soon as you open it, voila, you will see all the details, navigation details of course, on your KTM TFT display. Now there is one more thing that I would like to point out. Go to the settings, make sure that you have switched on the left hand traffic option because that's what in India we have. Once you're through that, you can just lock your phone and start riding the motorcycle. So I'm also going to demonstrate to you guys how effective, how, I mean, there is absolutely no lag in this app. And this is what we are going to test on this test run to Sukna now. Let's start. So here you go. That's our first roundabout. And you can see it is bang on, it is spot on, there is no lag whatsoever. And this is what we tested throughout our journey towards the Sukna Lake, which was almost like around 10 kilometers journey. The next video, which will be released very soon, the details of the same are also shared at the end of this video, is going to be really very interesting. So do hit the subscribe button. Now after having this app, I'm just wondering what to do with this lovely RAM mobile holder that I've bought at almost around 5,000 rupees. Should I sell it? Should I keep it? I'm confused now. So we have almost reached Sukna Lake. I'm sure we will reach there as well, thanks to this app called Turn by Turn Navigation. It's a really very good app. I think you must try. Even the star rating on the Android Play Store is really very good. It's somewhere around 4.1 and it really is good. I have tested it myself. I have just shown it to you, demonstrated this to you, and this is really a wonderful app. I think you should try this on your KTM motorcycles, of course on a 390 and the higher versions. In addition to this, there is one more app, KTM MyRide Connect. With that app, your KTM MyRide is still more better. Let me tell you how. Well, I'm connected to my KTM MyRide feature on my mobile as well as my headset. So you can see that feature here on the KTM MyRide. So that's the option for audio. We'll go to that later. Navigation, and this is where you actually pair. So there are two different profiles that you can do. You can pair your phone, you can pair your headset, and both are connected to each other now, right? Now all my KTM Ride allows me to do is control my audio, answer or reject calls also from this particular console that you have here. Exactly like the way it is going to play the music right now. So you see, I can control, I can increase the volume of my music, I can change the track to next track or previous track, play or pause the music right from this particular console here. So let's do that. If I press this, the music will start. And this is exactly what you call steering mounted control. So we have got handlebar mounted control for our audio system and all the gizmos that we connect to our motorcycle. That's called Easy Life. So I hope you liked the video and all the information in this video, and it will be put to good use is what I assume. Now about next video, my next video is about the Saddle Soul ride that I did from Mumbai to Chandigarh. Well, it was a success story or not, that you'll have to watch the video and find out. But I'm going to include the preparation and to do and not to do list and everything that you need to know about the Saddle Soul ride. Well, almost. But I'm sure I will be trying to give you the best of the information possible from my side. So if you've liked the video, share it. Do keep coming back. Do subscribe and keep promoting, or rather, keep encouraging me.